I have adored for many years. I will call her a big sis. She's a mother to many in the media landscape, and she has worked for 28 years in radio broadcasting. Mama Fe Amano, and a official send-off. I never me Fe Amano de the Jumedie nyina ebawiye. Na mfie duonu nwotwe enne nsoso ye na woda. And mami ye body mfie kirewa. Wanya dioso ana mami mfie benya 70 eh. 70. Me ba cho mami nya ne birthday no exactly today, ne birthday no. And ohinini ene almost all the social programs no ne nipa kukudam and I be call Ishra na omako jana kwan. Then ohun sa ni fie was ro pa oba ne ho fe. Mama Efe at 28. Mfie duonu nwotwe in radio broadcasting is not a joke. I'm saying for radio, I'm saying say 65. Hey, as we share as a small girl. Oh, you are a legend, and the things you have done for radio is legendary. And Urabaso dear, hey, Urabaso dear. Nanone Kasa, she speaks with such decorum, such decorous, and what Triani Deuce. Mama Efe Triani Deuce. This morning I celebrate you, Mama Efe. I elogize you so much. I love you. Tanya mami shia me aho obeye me na ohwahwa me. Obi timi call nche wo se ko hu omanhene. Na wo call omanhene wan ne ma besesa, ne ma be ye. Ampara nso na di pana boss Mama Efe na se me bra. Oh. Mama Efe Amano. Mrs. Congratulations. 28 years. 28 years is not a joke. In radio broadcasting, unblemished. Unya sem da. And Koba say, Nejuma oye huwa tochima. And Nidia also odema. Ubia odemano. Just say, Mama Efe, you've paid your dues. Oh, I wish today I could be there. I wish I could be part of it. And himself Bao Hinini would definitely be there. Na Bibia Koso. Happy birthday to you on your 65th birthday. I salute you. Wonderful. Enjoy your day to the max, Mama. I don't know if I can get a special present for you today. You are loved by all. You've been a mother and a sister to many, a friend and a cherished one as such. We celebrate you. Congratulations once again. Okay. Yeah, concrete. Now you go head demonstration. MPP and 6 other parties no yeah. Now you bisa say say you want them to say nipa Adeakye na womo botai no beba so. Ba bedu ewa ahoma no so. Na yenhwe nia ekoso na ansana no yenko eye Kumasi heya na yewra Zuba awo ye Kumasi mayor na go tu anamon bi penifo ka se on twintwan so na omamre enemate se wahye saadi congestion ase ewo omo tete pavement ni atno Baba, they watch you.
They do so, man.
Now, what to say?
About the Adam, where?
I don't pay what Kejetia. And an important the congestion exercise, Kumasi Mayor. Honorable, Ufuriajimai, exercise was sitting there no Muntuno. And what's them to say?
My Mamma was an amity at you for Sompa and Ano pay. Send you what you can't come. Anope impempra me no kasa die Mijina Culture Center any zoo dan no ho saa ho na business say send yin na nim dada no say Kinzuba we Kumasi mayor e dey atudwa say na anope wo free ase na afi dey di congestion exercise omo mu didwa e wo pavement ne so na afi e kwan ni mfimfini wo be yi wo mu nyina afi wo na o ma hene alika semba ko a e wo mu ne sen ebre mu no adeɛ baako aba bɛyɛ akwansidie mpempere ne sɛ me no kasa dwadifo a mu didwa ɛwɔ culture center nkyɛn ɛba bɛfa zoo nkyɛn nyinaa no ɔmo ankasa afuro mu pɛm ɛyɛ clean up exercise ɛna me no ɔmo di nkɔmɔ na mi sɛ ɔmo sɛ na adeɛ wei deɛ yɛnya hunu bi sɛ ɛda wo na ɛba no sɛ na no pɛ deɛ mafiri ase a mo pɛpɛ na ɔmo de tu dwa sɛ o saa adeɛ deɛ yɛ adeɛ a ɔmo yɛ dada ɔmo sɛ yɛ adeɛ ɔmo yɛ dada ɛnyɛ sɛ na no pɛ yɛ a Kinzuba eba be di congestion exercise ntina o ma sheda e
be ade o mo ye dada
no ka say no
e be
mu no o mo niema no ebi mu enya hyehyeye me no ka say ebi mu afiri ase a o mo e prepra ne ade a na ebi mu nso de o mu gyengina o mu nya so mo niema nsan say o mu ni mpefe say so o mu nya hyehye a o na bo Kinzuba ne don o meba be yi o mu nyina afiri ho nanso ebire mu metumi aka say Kinzuba ne don o mu nya until NC from ye wo bre mu a ye hwesen on be ba bedu mu ye bedu na say exercise be free as ya te say
bawa na ye say bia a wo twa kire anka by this time ho nyina aye ma
anka ye ma da
pavement na wo nyina anka nipa hye ne ma ho
nka o mu nyina o mu ne ma exercise so a wunya ba bi kura fa na so me no ka say Oma bobo no boaboa e de asisi nkwanche
da. Eni omo no boaboa che.
Omo tete ho. Enya de so omo ahyeso omo tete ho.
Na we wo tra ho sa ye dey. Enya de a asojafo na policefo no nya de omo ba be ba na ekọ. Omo be gina ho achente ne. Omo se omo ne ma ne ko. Eti we enfoni atwa kire ye de kokonfo anoche no.
Sa de kokonfo anoche omo clean up exercise anope omo ye no.
Zoo ho no no.
Zoo
energy ho no mo dampan sa no
ai ho dampan omu tumi say nti ya Kinzuba ba
be power the talk
mama nka say infinfin zoo ho no say your pavement bi wo finfin a ho so na adwadifo ni gengina
yes
no ka say
me hwe no kra me wawa vehicular movement chacha cars ne kwa na ekọ obi ani ho
sa omu yina omu tete nkwanje o baby a omu ntumi so sa ye ken se Kinzuba baba beju o bezuba ne ebehu se sa wo tete ho sa won park yo wunyina ye be pamo mama kwa na se ye mpamo enam sa wo sise enti je agasini awe ne ebehu cha enti ye wa twani mu a ye twen se Kinzuba baba beju ne mu anamo a otu.
All right, Babedu, just hang on there and stay there. We will come back to you. Ira, Richard, Oforia Jiman, and I'm on 2 hours in there, Jadifon free or no. Jadifona, you clean up exercise. I want so I teach you Moniama go home, has for Beba, and answer what ma. Now just say, baby, I may shame you, won't you me? Uncle, by this time. Hwɛ aha no mo ke ho bomma se bi wo mo epra okay eti eni yero for agman se obeba na wo ma so obetu anamo sa bia ya enam ho no mo ekodai kofo asese ne ma o payment wo nyina o re eyi na mo ye de sa no zoo Penny will groom zoo Asat say 753 Kaon Munyina Yama Wunya just a cross to a quanim no asa cross to Kejetia Unya baby na do Nancy Mema maneba we crow Munya ma ini Omunya mayo Hezu kwano aha hwe ho ya efe hwe ho ya efe a dwadifo na bechi ahomache a clean ho nyina o enti no wonim si etimi clean kumase ti no wonim se yetimi clean efi pa na wo zoo kwan ho omo clean ho hwe yɛsoro ya onya kra so ɔka so ɔbɛhwe wɔ ɛne ɛsɛ mo ɔnka saa na ɔsɛ ɔke wɔnhwe wo bɛfiri hɔ onya maayo ɛmɔ no ngɔtwe ya sɛ kra onya ma hɔ apolisifoɔ ne sogyafoɔ ɛka no ho mae tax force nka ho hɛde ɔmo yɛ hwɛ sɛ ɔmo pra. When was the last time ɔmo pra yɛ yɛrɛ ofori agyeman ɔmra yɛrɛ ofori agyeman kɔ adwuma wonya akora nkɔyɛ no hwɛ ɛhɔ ayɛ fɛ nti yere wo ho yɛtaa w'akyi yere wo ho paa yɛtaa w'akyi yɛwo yɛ no so yɛ ni zoo paa nie me sɛ obiaa onim Kumasi ɔfa hɔ ɔnhwɛ zoo kwan no ho hwɛ Kumasi asɔden o yama yɛ Kumasi ayɛ tan in the name of politics and in the name of I want to aba and I ain't found the encotra then you kwan no mu tafo MC so obeba any kwabere MC ono so pragia for so wa me yen ho adwuma pragia ha enkrofo side mirror de omo fa ne kwa but tia to atwene zesia o ya no asabe ku so baba yankuri opani mi so fa chame what in na you won fan chow na on fa kotobia obu osusu aka na you know sa aka no the side mirror no kwa ye be 5,000 say 4,000 wo de akotwi ase no awie on fan chow Mesi zu na mi hwe yana anope ya o na omo san fan call yi ho no me pese me hwe hello ho so hello na me pese me hwe yoro for ajuma wa homa no so Kinzuba, good morning.
Yeah, morning no.
Na me sha de bi o mani so e wo zoo me ho adwiri me ne me reporter ba we di nkomo o se wonya kra ntisi krom emmaba wa ne mrantie na wo na epra zoo kwan ho ahwa tisei na pacho brebe na mo se dwumadie ase
yeah, me tell you for I no pay am yes madam
na wonya nkọ ho kra no ehwa ti o
beda one ya wadi manaso na yemi ko dia ni di bia ye bia nya se eya hote ba se de be ya ko no be nya na aya attractive for investment and businesses and until I get to Alamoy in Fitiasi and Nimpa be but it's unique people to me Obia be home for dia ye I did by Yekoma Secodium and defend a measure na Obia Moy and coffee the now you come out and Yekuma and I
okay
na yaw ma men for 2 days na men fair we say as ye na me bi enka ho but ababa be ka
ehemfa
na men say omo no mo sha ye no mo so eni so if airport runabout if the champs ko come and share ababa ka ho today
airport runabout for the champs ko come and share
ko come and share one ya wo ho odi diga it's a good man venture mo patam ho no nyina
okay
omo pavement to pa no
omo nyine man free so
onko mo tikaka
okay
the same thing is
this omo tons omo ko fa ne ma second hand ne ma na good pavement no
so no ma na omo just say wono omo nyina
enko akire
na okwa no no de enko omo nko ne omo tikaka
okay
pavement na ankasa no
na ho
na ho no nda ho ye amana ko ba sa ne se yina ni se yewa odi ofa we ngen enti se adu ni nsia ni na wotin di medie kase bi because we Kumasi. Millennium Excellence Award.
That's right.
I'm paying the brain. Yeah, buy moon penny put your
I was alas I want to crown a guest.
If we bear it and a bad Kumasia. And this all say will be seen the first international airport war. The other Fadia Quahin, ASR and Potemia, which is 50 Chemso, and I go. Yes, sir. The Mama, the first impressions last long. We international flight direct you about own thing or Kumasi. It's over Kumasi na impression of the Becono and your papano. Ever high. Okay, yes, sir. One year old in our mobile. If you speaking why as far as Central Moscow, and so Eric Okame, yeah, I need if I was the honor of trying, also I would try the amount of Mutu on here, almost 15 commas. That a final now. All if we I now will call hotels are also at the these are the areas are
okay.
Abababeka and I'm sorry on thinking I must say yeah asphalt over airport run about all now one I ever saw no so
why are dear
me would you say in 6 me now ye asphalt only now yeah when Ebe kama.
Mami mom in Sema no pay. Mami mom in Sema. Esan say, sa piano sa the traffic basabi enra we fin crying. Me do on me who say your level so kakra fine. But en you pay it. Anama what to e hon kwa de. Yera Zuba me bo abaso. Me bo abaso. Now Adaroma, how long will this be sustained? Because Pempi e sha say ya. Afe obewa bosume ba ko sumu mienu adwadifo no so ehura bejo na afe police fo afri ho na military afri ho afe na tax force no kra twa mo gigi sika mama no esiesie tomatoes ni ade ho. How long can we sustain this, Wadaroma, and do we have the funds to sustain it?
Okay, yeah. Also medical can say adi congestion ni asusa soja phone police for be no the minjis and
okay.
The one is kahunu. In the way they a dedicated team of about 10 people. Almost dedicated vehicle. Can I me and I'm the musical top. And I'm a demo with this argument.
Okay.
And every day throughout the period that my penny or two father mayor every day on Bay Patrol.
Okay.
Every day on Bay Patrol. And the energy guys.
Okay. Eti free and neya na mo sha se enti omo beba kroma be he ba bia mo ka so mo free
every day omo promoter.
Okay.
Every day. We have a team of about 6 military men and 4 national security operatives. And they will be led by the Metro Security Coordinator and his deputy. Eti omo na be this argument.
All right. All right.
Baby, also Omuvia Ombe Station City Guard Nibia, so Ombe Station City Guard City Guard for the KM employees direct. And you would not have to use any resource from anywhere to go and get police and military men to come and position themselves to prevent and comfort of Omba.
Mesra say City Guard for so new Omonkasa God bebre so Omo corrupt papa Zuba.
What will happen is that the military for the national security for no air patrols, not why do baby, it was why a compromise. I will take punitive actions against you.
Okay. I know you can do that. Now, Kumasi take a crowd because Zuba you couldn't name and cry now be drew Kumasi now heard the Kumasi ya and Yenika.
Yeah, Kaka,
yeah, Babo Chidom, Yamin Kahu. All right. The Kumasi Mayor, Ofurajman, and then Casano. Yenina, she said, KJT, hello, FM, and Nimho, a doom, and now I shall say, Yaban on Reka, Cranian, and a dinkomoso about the vehicular movement, and it's our packing by Hatta, a doom central, Pemper the 2nd Street or Mopaki by Hat. Not Central Business District, packing, no so. You didn't be the home como. Because our Central Business District, packing. parking no so omo de gigi ska wo ho no eno so ka ho bi ene ma traffic ne ba krom obi tu ka onya ba bi parking na honest na omo wo shops no omo to boy a whole week no ne ma ono ne e wo car ne ba wo car ne yire wo car 3 lanes no ma parking me a me ba be to de no wa parking wo car wo mani me fa na me si meto ye nto de so ana wo say complain se nkrofo meto de ena on cars akese no so omo be yi load obo ono ma be 7 o'clock no da so yi niema me kai say mayor me nim which mayor omo design say anajo car ne be ba just after be 9 cars ni nyina free krom no e ba anajo no so a wo say by 5 am e tu free ho but na obetwa ma ukofa ayi ultimate ho a na cars akese park a eniema guma awia bi obe 10 o'clock ni eyi niema na traffic achisa wa say ye de Kumasi to autopilot and will be a the open. This thing should stop. Why me see Tizunie? Ebe. So mo cost to say ya name could room a bit. Na care me tax force. Omo we get CB. Care me tax force no amu go on. Obi obo ni get crop for you no nyina omo you omo. Say oba no so pe ba bi atena. Ni a man space bi. Etu onu nko aye fa ne niam ada the boy wom keje tia inside hodomo ene ni ntwo no aso sei no obokona ge ya twetwo no ho bo se tax force on na ma ba no on na be didi no osako on amu nyina ho ma ne di ai no ba no hwe na ejiji scam microphone me see me ni mo mo na asma me ke crofo iri no mo crofo guest no onu ni be wi esesi a ejuma ni de do na ye chewa ada ho be da adwam no awi akete no obi di sikan san obi okeje ti aswa wo kai so waje ni ge waje ni no saka kan you know the sikan san no ejina meka chezu ba se o ma na ni nko omo ho na fe omra bantoma runabout g e hososo tax force for no na keme for eniema bi e koso no optima traffic sisa na police ni gina na e tax force jana ho na o maje trotro driver ni sika se on ko bo o mo se ye fast loading time ye time ade na Kumasi ay basa obedu araga junction they say ayi tech basa na me busa o jando Kumasi this is listener my own ade ama uko municipals in districts now nothing is working regions ni nyina virtually omo de ko ade Ashanti region de nkwa. And I'm on incident they see anything I'm on my careful. Quite be sure no Sisal anyone premium pass Antony. Yet I don't come as some powers until my temple. A tremuti MC, upon to say.
Nyankopon na dum
Bibi aboko
Nyankopon adum bibi ayo
edo ba de ase I hope so your weekend was good
good
edo nyame ase doctor so ho ye aso ye hoboko
oh eda kwa me ka che no no ye se kene wono mbeba no antimi no oso hu wa che
doctor o se mesi wo nyai ya de okika no o tie mi a doctor jade okika no ado pay bi enti ado pay from ba
Nyankopon enhira wo pa ena no pay ena no pay ye de nchia kase e be free Dr. Banho e de ama yahwefo ene atiefo enyina dani de nyina se Nyankopon ya adom no de dani se edom ye nia ya na ye bo nkai we de ubo na ye bo aka che se ya de ati ni padua ni mu no ya de ha wo no a wachinchina bre wape ho ayaresa a unsanka no eno na Dr. Ban se ayaresa de se wo pese e contentem a ye de bibiduro ena eye amana firi wo so a eno ena wo so wo de wani e kire ba Herbal Hospital a ye wo Kumasi Atonsu Agogo nyankopɔn yɛ adom na sɛ wotie deɛ yɛkan na nɔmba me bɛkekan wodi ne nyinaa to tirim na wofrɛ na woba adeɛ a atena wo so mfie bebree a ɛyɛ yadeɛ no Dr. Bade na wɔtwepɛ wobɛhu sɛ ɔde apam yadeɛ no afiri nipadua no mu ama ho atɔ asɛm a yɛkan ebia wadwe nya bɛ sɛ o yɛka no bibia akwada bi enye bibia sɛ wo pie hɔ ahu nkrɔfo anankɔm yadeɛ di mfie du ɛwɔ nipadua no mu ebi deɛ di mfie duonu ebi deɛ kyɛsɛ ebi deɛ di 6 7 nyina ɔn bɛ pie Dr. Bawo no ɔmo amfa na anabosome kora no yadeɛ ne kɔ no ɛma kyerɛ wo sɛ pɛni na fra ba bɛhwɛ enti gye Dr. Bawo namba yɛ didi dwuma mesrɛw ɛnɛ anɔpa yi Doctor nankasa ɛtena se wɔ Kumasi atonso a mesrɛw enkomo bi a wopɛ sɛ ɔne doctor edie adeɛ bi a ɛhyehyɛ wo mu a wopɛ sɛ ohu Dr. Bawo na wo ka kyerɛ no ma yadeɛ ne firi wo so no mesrɛw kɔ hɔ anɔpa yi na gye number no na kɔ hɔ anɔpa yi ɛyɛ
0244
988 004 0244 988 004 and it was 0244 08 34 82 0244 08 34 82 number way Dr. Ba number ye didi juma ewe yaso e wo mesrew se wo hwe Dr. Ba anopa ya me ni wudi nkomoi ana abre bia ye wo Kumase atonsu agogo mesrew e ho na abehu Dr. Ba ewa asante mantema eye Kumase atonsu agogo hyene nso na tie ni ye na bra na ye hwe ma honto enkran so ye was Painters Road 18 junction ho e ho nso ubehu Dr. Ba ewo ho ena no pai ensu ahyase etoto awa ahyase ba eneme ka sai obi akadem obi akampam edi entia ne sasabura ba SSB na ba sasabura na kan ho kyesa ni da so nyina asa wode agye ne ho a me sasabura die mesrew ena no pai mesrew mensada mensayem mesrew sasabura na di unya dad adi unya ache mesrew nanu ala na fire service for kodum ensuo pete ya na sasabura saka no emwaw mesrew emwaw ensuo no totɔ paa enti obi a rheumatism agene nkasa anawura ni nipaduanum amanna ni nipaduamu tutu no eye ne ya amanna ensuo to ya wo ba ya yetimi atwentoma akuri ye ho ada sole ahoɔden mu wakampam bracket ni kuntu akura nipadua no nso ntimi nya no hwe ni nipaduamu wi ni tutu no mesrew maame papa minua ba na wutie mi enkosi da ben ana abehu kwan na ba Dr. Bawo amasa no ma we afiri wuso enti na no pa mi ni wudi nkomo na me bon ka ya kire wo se ye ka rheumatism na ye ka sasabura ewura nipadua no kokeka nkasa ewura ntini no kokeka nipadua no ba bia wo be sofa na wo be huna mane enti na enkomo mi ni wudi nyina ne se obi a rheumatism na sasabura agi ni dompene ne kasa aboso ahyehye ni kotodwa ni mama na ni kotodwa nyina no ontimi mfanya no hwe ena ma ne nsa nyina ye ne ya oye ne ho hwe nye ye no onfamra Dr. Bawo onfamra nyarewa nyina bedwane ho onfamra bibidro doctor waba wiase abaga na wode bibidro etu noma bebre ye yade afri nipa bebre nipadua mu enti anopai se wode ye sasabro sasabro na etete wa fo ani kira Dr. Bawo ne mo haban ya duro nko wura nipadua nim na sasabro bi awura mogya nim amenkasa ne ho kire no empam mfiri mu na ma nipadua no onya ne fa ahudie na yade betra nipadua nim a mesi ebetimi atete wa ma wo fa ahudie kura no unya dani dan nyina na awerho ana ahye wo so ne nyina ye yade nanso ba kwan na bokwa to ba bi e kwan da na wutimi wura ba bi e kwan da te se Dr. Bawo a wo yade friend rheumatism ana sasabro no ebe free nipadua nim ama won so ho ato ene meni wudi nkomo ne edi nkomo a obi anya nkwanhia atwam dadaada afi na aka ne ho eti da bia Dr. Bansi enoma bi to anprempren ya tu anamo bra ne ho na afi onhwehwe no mu aduro nsi ho kwai enti nanu na obi nya nkwanhia accident bi bai enti apimu osole ye wo so onu de ni nipadua anya hwe wakọ hospital me ama na duro oboa ewomu no ama obi a ono hwe nkasa na dompemu nipadua mu a ewomu ebetimi adi 1 year 2 years 3 years ubewu se ohibon wadwonku ne kan ya na aka ne ho enti na me nipa bebre adwonku omo hibon no ama omo akadem afi wodi kwhye obi afi wodi nani kotu obi so se na me nyare na ye den na de ma dwonku yetimi ama makademu na ye nkwanhia bi ebia wote hwedam ebia ka bi pimu na wote bibi so ni nyina timi ka makasa na wo dwonku no ana wo hibo no etimi rere amani yi entimira ba rewe a entimi nkansia ni biemu no na manipa dasani wabubu agufom efisa wonan no eba beso wo dwonku ataso na eno ena beka usisi no ama otimi de ayeden anante akọ na mra kasa no betwe no untimi nya wo hwe eberere no obaka dem enti ne obi atwapoma kuta no pa enso se be ye ode ne nan kura besi fom no ontimi enti Dr. Basi ena no pai ono ne hwe kasa so ono ne hwe dompe so ono na dompa apratete adwiri asai no ofa no oboaboa no ye de di ahaban ka no enti obi a ne hibon na dwonku ana ohaw ne amane abamu ontimi mfa nante obi de enso de onante ana aka wona ni nyina no ode beba Dr. Baho na nyankopon da roma de ahaban atototo wa dwonku no so achechira ma bosumi nurukura no ubehu so obi a na ne hibon na dwonku no ontimi mfa nya no wo hwe ne nyankopon da roma obetimi ade aye bibi amono nso anya no fa hodie enti obi a na dwonku ana ne hibon no na ye ne ya no onfamra Dr. Ba aso ye ho unim se nkwanhia betimi aka wachi kase amoachia nkwanhia betimi amanipadua wachi kase na awewe memu abie enti na no pe ye di nkomoi obi wonya nkwanhia obi nso ne namu ma ene wanya haw ewo ne spinal cord no hwe ye kan chikasa me ka che se ewo nkrobata bebere ayese dua ne man ne branches no sa na chikasa etie ebefa akofi esisi ye to ase ebefa abafi etirimu ewurawura ye mfi ba bia ewo no ba bia efa ne wo gregrobi de da kasa ne nimu ye dwant bi de da ho se yade na nkwanhia bi bam na kokana na fe ubehu safe wo te yaw na erere na fe ama wo bre enti ubehu obi ena me ni wudi nkomani mu akoa ubehu obi ena me ni wudi nkomani ne fa achia obeka se ni sisi na chia eye kasa mienu wo ho se ehaw ne amane abamu a ubehu se bebe ni padua wachim na we nyina mra tintin ame maame me papa ene wo ba ne ato udin maame acha na ote ani sisi achim no papa kwasi awie ote ani sisi achim eno ena ye wo fa na dabi yemfa yade ensre enti na Dr. Basi ebia no wachi kasa no wako hospital ye twaw amia kan cho se bia fratena bi so arere enti na ama wakadam ana ama wufa achi a mesrew se ani daso ho na me no kasa se wo bomoden edi wani kire Dr. Baho a obi o ha ewo na chi kasa mu bia no ye de ahaban be ne ye ama ho ato enti anopen so obi ani kotodwe ye ne ya no eno so ye Dr. Ba ye wewe ya ne aba diabetes asichire yade fo so me say ye diabetes se wan hwen ye asichire yade sugar no na wuri kwosoro be mani padua na ye tantantan ebe ma wa ye basabasa ebe ma afen so abesam wanya nkasa mu yade na wutira anye ye awieye no ubehu se etwa wona ya na afira wani Dr. Baso ode abibiduro ene de ba wode hwe obi ani sugar eta wuri kwosoro pa wo bre no oba ebe mu obibiduro amenu bebra wanum agu yam no wajai amemre kakra bi no ushuga na timi abeda ba biye ni asa cherecha kwan abefa so a ushuga ne mebro so ma wunya ohaw ne amane ni biem enti obi a ne yade ne ye sichire yade another diabetes no onfamna Dr. Ba aso yewo ena me ni udi nkomo obi de ye kompo ehye ni minim okoyi ya na aba enu echi no okoyi operation asa fifi ese ba ni nyina kire se enoma na ama kompo na be hye ominim ana akohye ho ba bi no ewo ni paduam na wo system nim enti mfiri mu a ye firi ha ya de beduru ho na firi wa de woni paduanum entimi mpie enu nti na wo ye operation na wo kompo na saba na nso wo de ba Dr. Baho a ye mo ha banduru ko wura ni paduanum a na ko kini no ma bia ama na ne kompo no afiri ni paduanum ama won so wanya fa hodie enti bramia ma kompo adu a wo de begu aduanim na wadie na fe afiri wo kompo na ma won so onhu atowo ene nkrofo bebre enya adwunum hawo na de wo kroma na me ka che won ne se ene kroma obi nya adwunum ha se ekimwa na akoya se won mesre wo hye ne nso se adwunum hawo no eye yade di bia yade ba adwene ne ho a wa adwene ne be ye basa enu nti na ade da fom a na okofa gie enu nti na okasa ba hata onwene ho no oka no ni nyina che se na adwene no eho aka na hwan na betimi abo enu na da bia edi ho adanse ka che wo se Dr. Baho adura ya bibidura obi ani nua bi ana ne maami bi ana ne ba bi anya adwunum hawo a wo kasa na ni so aye hyehye o twese ka ye no ma ensem fata no wo ba ye manaduro no no mu a within 3 hours we be so sorry ya na adwene no asesi so no okọ no baabi enti Dr. Bamu abodamfo aduro sebe ema wafuru mewuhuru ma ye giren afi obi a wo abodam a wo pe no na afi wasa agigiri dabi ya duro no koni padua no mu a ebo wo ma wo da na mra wo beti wani no na afi ho atọ ama wo nso wanya afa ahodie enti obi a ne babi abodam adwene ha wo no so no omra Dr. Baha yenya so ye ho no omra me ehwe no afi na no pa mi ni wudi nkomai obi de ye twere yade da bia me ka se epilepsy no se twere no se wan hwe ne ye na se didiso na sa mo adwene mu hawo na afi amo akobodam wa wutwa wasa abodam na chese no ma na ye agensemu enti fa twere yade no so bra Dr. Baho ye wono me bi se eye fie yade abonsam yade Dr. Baho se ono onye wachini fa yade ne bra ono mo aduro ekwa a wo behunu se ye fie ankwa a wo behunu se ye fie enti de wo hwe no se wo de yade no a ye twere yade no ebeba Dr. Baho enne nkrofo bebre tu nsanom enum nubone akaso obetimi agyae nanso ontimi nyai woni ho ahoden ni kuta Dr. Baha obi a watu nsanom atu nubone opese wugyae a eye Dr. Baha aso eye ho ya de kasa no abawieye se bimpanimfo se asopa woi encha asem tie de woni ma ne se obegye number no na afi wudu ani acha Dr. Baha na yade e friend yade de eni gyina bia ewo Dr. Baha ani so eye 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 and ewo 0244 08 34 82 0244 08 34 82 me pacho Dr. Baho Kumase atonso ago Aban hospital nachi ane ewo ana nkranso ye was Painters Road 18 junction ho mesra no pa ye din komawie Dr. Baha wo Kumase atonso ago for bag de se for ni kire Dr. Baho na wi ade be ka kire wa eye ba
okay yeah that's it ye to adwumade no so ha no mo na ye dem kwaso ye ba ko a wo mo so eba infections eba prostate eba diabetes or mudimu akotene pa I'm talking about Tabitha just say omotia city Ghana for na nyina prince empom to say
nyame adom ko
bibi aboko
nyame adom bia
by 81 pay
that's it me che tie for ne arefo na no pay obi otie yen na hwe Sompa TV so nyina ye betena na watwe bia se de ya ba ye nimu edi apomuden ho komo no enenso ye da foforo na ye nimu ebedi apomuden ho komo no ye tense Tabitha asoe na wohwe anopai wohwe kira akwan a ye woda ban Cindy Junction ho na ye di edwuma kese ni nyina na ye numbers ye di dwuma a pese ofre na asembisa bi a pese obisa na ase opese oba asoe na abeja yarehwe nso a eno ye 0260 19 62 19 0260 19 62 19 ene one ye numbers e didi dwuma wo yaso ye baabia enti ubetimi afresh a numbers we Tabitha said amafo enimye na amafo nimye for ye diabetes ye prostate any infections area yesa wo yaso ye empe bebre ni ye ba na ye betena sese ya ye bom nka ye se o se wanya kran 3 months bia na o se at least utimi ko check se ne prostate no esi etie se iron large anase cancer ebemu anase how bi anase ho techma na wose otimi ko check na eboa so wantimi an ko check na wanhwe how our prostate no esitie na kobase how bi ebetomu a edin so anso bebre ene ebebre o ye bema mostly ni ya na ya ye di free 30 anase eko 40 no mostly no sa ankrofo no anase sa age range no na ya na mostly ya na omotanya how ewo mo prostate nti yababo nkaye se obi bia ntu anamo na omra Tabitha asoye how bi ni amane bi a won prostate hu bia no oba ye be cheke ama na afi nso ye gina so ama edru se prostate went me an cheke hu how I was so na sunsun so ne ba niam bebre na ebeba wa akwan me bi ne se o jonso a obetimi ehu moja ewo ojonso nim anase o jonso a obebre ansa na watimi ajonso obi o krampa o Johnson no beba nkete ebeba kokoko nanso na Johnson na waso Johnson ma e free ne system ni mu nyina no so akota ne blood anim enti yakoba sa na e de how the pressure na beba beto so eba sa na emo Johnson na emoja edi akire ebiemu so obi o wa obe Johnson no oda asori bonse wadwonso ne ho ni nyina ye enlargement aba ne prostate ne ho dwonso ne ba embo nipa no enkaye no anse nipa no adwonso ekoba sa na ehu behia se ye be ma ye do betu aduro so abra waba Tabita na ya ye nhwemu na yafe yape eno aduro so ede ama ebiemu so ye treatment de ma ewo Tabita infections treatment ye ewo yaso enyina de bia me baram betna se me ya na metaka se infections ye wa ensore enko drugstore na se ensore enko over the counter medicine store enko to edrobia enfa ennom obeto ede akrokro no ebekọ na enso wan hwe ya ebesan abanachi ebiemu enti ne ye bo nka ye se dane nyina no also who the kind of infections are how ansa na watimi atu anamon ama bibibia nso aye kama de amount se koba se infections ni gonorrhea syphilis chlamydia bomode na tu ho anamon na bra so ye na yenye labs ahodo nyina nso emfama se confirm sampa infections we na hawa yetimi aboa o sa kwan no so obi ona infections ye na obo se niema kitenkete box kakra ashase ehunu no obema ye bema na afi so ojonso a wote eyawom jonso ne ba na ase ehyehew ni nyina ye infections a baba betena so me ede ohaw ne amane so ede abro ti ye bie ye pono ato dane da nyina no ne ye stress obi bia betu anamo no aba ya so ye se mdi kan de tu dwa no Tabita hwe ye kira kwan ye da ban Cindy Junction Daban Cindy Junction ho na edi ejuma your numbers no me send dey tudwa ebiem 0260 19 62 19 0260 19 62 19 ti bomode na fire numbers we na frey bibi e ha obia e fa infections ho e fa diabetes ho e fa prostate ho nyina no o de be dan a ebetimi aso ano so e de ama na ya hwe so amadigi so ama waduru kama se be ya mra no nyina ebetimi a monitor o se na ya awapomudin no esetie na ma yenso yetimi anya retomu se oba ye ho no yetimi ahwe oyi na ebiemu so ye services aya na ye de edi dwuma biemu ana se ye ene se obetimi afre numbers ye de tu dwuma ye obibi wa ye friend home services ne chese sebe omo a muntimi emma ya so ye ho a omo dodo omo kakra o friend numbers ye de tu dwa ya ye no be ye nhyehyɛ na yetimi aba ofie na yetimi aba abɛhwɛ se labs ahodo na apese ye nyema se scans na apese ye metwa ma se massage honam dodo honam twitwiw na apese ye me massage ma so a ni nyina na ye betimi aba abɛyɛ ama bibia wie pɛyɛ ebiem so na ebia na o pe scan so etwa se ebia wafa ye fro pe so ohun sa abofra no wadi ena ahe wadi bosome wadi afesen a ye betimi aye sa scans ni nyina so ede ama ana se abdomen so na eye oya se bibi eye oya o pain o abdomen na unya abdominal pain ana se pelvic pain so a betimi abaya so na ye twa sa scan we nyina so ede ama nti ye se obi bia ntu anamo na ye bia ye pono anu ye hye adwuma ase Mondays kosi Fridays ye start 7 o'clock kosi 4 p.m. nti obi bia betimi aba na ye fe so yetimi ahwe ede ama nti opa ayaresa na oje dia Tabita clinic na yenhwew na bibibia nso enye kama so efama
okay Tabita for na mote wo monka no na mema no so atrase oba nto obeka mema asem ema na ewo Ghana hanze si a minim se ya mo aduro bio si a wo mo mpane bio anano na branche bika se ewo se mrahye bedwafo no tenase no mutimi eyemra ewo Ghana ha minim se marital law se sexual law nanka you decide say be ma wo no obehia now we 5 minutes 10 minutes doctor na just say we ti wa hu say why you sat ayi why you adwuma wie and a 2 minutes man and a 5 minutes man and onyina me so nche and a onye ne ye ada ye ko Olympics be ma wu tie mi awo sa ha no tonchi herbal capsules wa we benya akoda bia di bi ko di bi ba ya kwa ba
ya
na what to say
erade adom be hoye
be ma go Ghana ye bre
mobre
ehunu amane
pa
se minim se mo na makono na kosoro se eye de yo
de binya yakono
ye
na ebi mu na enti ase se yenye long sex enti na me betu me nyina afo na ma kire ma say enye long sex and be satisfy you na mo me romance na satisfy you ba
romance
pa try
I was on for your romance kasai
but I say etie for any adofo tonchi herbal center so ye na sabre me de wadri me patro se wonim se me de metena se na se nya dro bia keke na me ka ho asem esanse ye wadro ene wadro na we nso eye yankasa ye diem ye habama tonchi herbal center ye de tonchi herbal capsules abedwaman eso me patro se na daka no etie tonchi herbal capsules Tonchi herbal capsules. Na me patro obi beka se dre eye den eno ho nkomo enti nene me baaye. Me patro edro we eboama emema prostate ejina wo mo na so ankasa. Ene mema bebre battle sa prostate hawo no. Prostate ade akane ne nka me hu ye. Enka bema bi wo no ma 50, 60 ena owo prostate problem. Obi owo 50, 60 ena wo prostate problem. Nanso enne emrantie nyina battle wo prostate problem emu. Edi entia esan say omo lack sex. Afen so omo ndidi ye. Se bema opese o prostate ejina ne naso pa. Metu fo se da ne da obeta di mpa so agro. Ane bema bi a wo pese o protecting the prostate e wo se wo ta edi mpa so agro na me ka se ta edi mpa so agro no nkyere se wonya odofo bi a 30 minutes 20 minutes me pa cho da bi bema wire sex akwa akire kwa ye 5 minutes bema me tu fo se wonu oba edi mpa so agro wakwa akire kwa ye 5 minutes se ebro 5 minutes a na che se romance bi ebehye mu na bro ye or ye good to go Nemo bema sa oye wadwen say oh oba no se me koye 5 minutes obeka chem say me ye under 5 minutes a me pacho ubebubu agudem no be fufuro sanso de ne ko eno ntimi nua bema bia wo tie me bia me pacho awasa wota aye sex na obenya nwode aye sex a wo hia tonchi herbal capsules me pacho eboama obi bia wo prostate mu hawo ye ka se obi wo prostate mu hawo a bema bia e wo prostate bema bia ye wo ne ba asase su bia wo prostate se obi ni prostate a na che se e bia wanya ohaw e na ye yi prostate no free honom na obi wo honom a ne prostate wanya problem e wo mu ye ka che se wanya ne prostate mu e bia me pacho na e kire se bema no me pacho odru ben na wo dwun so fa mu no e ben prostate me kire se enam ho eno nti prostate nya problem na emu ebie sana na emia droben no emia ne sana esemu asi afa unya dwonso na wo brepa nsa na aba wo chem sa obi on ma dwonso ata na yase okogina wono ma je se ochem obechim sanso a emma onu aten ka se a dwonso eta ma yase a ewo se me dwonso nanso emada Minua bema wutie me o prostate problem wo dwonso a emaye wo chem ansa na aba obi timi chima fe na moja edi akire me patro edro wo hia eye tonchi herbal capsules tonchi herbal capsules sa wonom edro yi ebia eboama omema sem ejina brane eboama ugina onaso etese bema anka so beka se minua ba obo me house ma me doctor number na me frɛ no ane fa phone na boye number no fa pen ne paper ne cho ye number no me patro frɛ doctor sisi obefrɛ me patro na obetwetwe nkomo wo hwe me tv ne so ye number no etwago e wo tv no eso ne wo tie me so number no eye 0553 51 11 59 0553 51 11 59 edinu eye tonchi o tonchi ase emema edro enie tonchi o tonchi emema ekuremu se twitwe minua ba wotie mi a owodofo nam sa problem no ebi no me pato wo hia so tonchi ema na edro no sei netie me pacho ewo mu 30 obenu no mienu anopa ebra wodidi awie mienu anwumre abra wodidi aye me pacho fda fu ahwehwe magia atum se dro no eye habama ebibidro krochi ye yaye die mu ye nu ahini ena doctor akeka boma ye de aye edro yi na wo pebi atwa Odi wani chum ewo misty herba yewo emrom apidan herba ewo emrom mepacho African herba ewo akwetia line kolena herba ewo astal pure live herba ewo ebuakwa maggi herba enso ewo santase Adom chemical ewo Santasi station me pacho Arms Herba ewo Abrepo junction Santasi taxi rank ona me pacho do de bibi dro nkwa no ton owo tonchi herbal capsules ni bebre Arms Herba owo Abrepo junction me pacho Santasi taxi rank onom okwa obenya bi ato ewo honom Blessed Record enso ewo kewo me pacho se wonim se wo pe bi ato na ye nton bi oba bi a wo frɛ ye number na me pacho ye be che oba bi a obenya bi ato ye number no eye 0553 511159 me pacho eye tonchi herbal capsules wo ye bema wo kwadwo so a emma o wo de emma me nkonko tena se o tena sabons na dwonso ne namona ho wo tena sabons na dwonso ne namona ho wo ye bema wo tie miam wani nko prostate ho and the prostate ha me man kasa obi wo prostate a ye de rubber ato ne bema mu bia ma pacho odwene nsisi so ye da bia roda o why depressed da biara da o wa adwendwen e wo ne so esan se ye de rubber ato ne bemam ya fa rubber anto ne bemam ne Johnson se nam ne ho ane se enam ne ho opie nipa mu kura na obia esi ne hwene esan se Johnson age ne ho me patcho me maame no ma mutie me patcho se unim se wo dofo wanyini we Johnson mu hawo ne process no emu abie amene o Johnson awo bra me patcho atadwi for ne what den ne wo hia tonchi herbal capsules me patcho mane no mienu anopa bra wo didi awie mienu anwumi abra wo didi awie ebe mo ne prostate no amana ba back to normal na ne ho nso ebeto no amwonya ne fa wo di afri junso mu ehaw mu tonchi herbal capsules menua be ma bia wo prostate owa junso mu ehaw wo hia sa onom edro ne ebi eye tonchi emema edie enie enye prostate enko a bema wo ye adwuma kakra na wabre bema wo ye bibi kakra bia na wo te so wo ho me ete menua mema no me patcho se wo tie me a waye mre ewo mpem wontimi ema odofo no eni enye me tufu se bema bia so pesa wo ye bema me patcho sex enye 5 minutes Deaka your romance. What shall say free romance? Sabe 5 minutes. Now the 5 minutes as well a 10. We ye okay. So ka se udi oba nechi 20 30 no abroa me pacho ubewu. Obi on motimi kono modro no obedi ono oba bedi mpaso agro be we na ntie ne ya. Na ne so ebri no. Obewie na afo na ma no atu ahwekwa. We eye habama. Eye bibidro kroje ena nya de wo beno ma afi na wo begina so se chireben na na oba akwakodi mpaso agro eboa esiese won kakran enennuane na mema no edi ne emwa wo mo ama oma ho ode no ekofom be ma bi aduane obedie powder ne na mu bebre eno ntina ho ode wo de bo ania no waje mu obi wo ho no ma ogina ne na so hu ne dofo na ne ho asan so asintrase sesia na ne ho asan no e pacho eye haba madura ebeboa ama o mema sam agina ne na so ankasa edi no eye tonchi herbal capsules me pacho ti edi ne ye mame eye tonchi herbal capsules frey number ne sesia any doctor entry enkomo me pacho bisa question na egi enchemu apromi di eso number no eye 0553 51 1159 0553 51 1159 edino eye tonchi ofresesia ya no bejeshem.
Thank you very much Nyakon Abronoma Oman his daughter. Okay. And now a special birthday. A special birthday to Patrick Kofiadu PK of Sompa. Hey. Yeah. And yeah, easy. If I join a seat, you know, a higher minority. Titrawa when you would minority seat in sound. Can any of the hammer on a man in a year two more? The majority seats, ya Jeffrey was said, I am minority. Okay, a happy birthday to Patrick Edu of Sompa PK. All libertarians, we say happy birthday, and then Liberty Hour for food for thought for Sompa Obiama Patrick Edu. Of Sompa TV PK, happy birthday. Ave Madam Perpetua of Nana Dato Islamic Basic School. Nana Datu Islamic Basic School. Today is your birthday, Madam. Happy Esther Jaman of Ahafo Kenya say Kojo Chrome. Today is your birthday from your friend Kwame Radio Sompa. Mrs. Juliana Nsia Boateng of Asukwa Municipal Assembly. Yesterday was your birthday. Julie, happy birthday to you. You are in charge of real estate at Municipal Assembly, estate managers. From your friends at Sompa, myself, Boamah, and everybody, we say happy birthday to you. Looking so beautiful, my dear. Prince Gerios Nana Kyokon. Today is a birthday from Nanaya Kyokon and Nanaya Vanessa Kyokon. Enjoy your day to the max. Mr. Thomas Adobafo of GMPC Foundation. Yaw Boamah. Hey, Thomas, happy birthday to you. Matthew Sunkwa Alatiawe of Customer FM. Atibubu. Okay. Matthew Sunkwa at Alatiawe. Patience Pras, CEO of Adepa Beauty Palace of Takoradi. From Ruth Amwa, CEO of Imerit Collections. And Raphael Sakode of Abusia FM Sports. Today is your birthday from your brother Adams. Okay. Raphael, happy birthday to you also. Your mamunyina trinkwa. Yes, so trade and ponce. Omom hoban kama. Na bibia nkoso. Okay. And I'll pay Dr. Hubert Bimpe Esiedu Doc Akwaba.
Yeah, Jaminia.
Bibia boko.
Enya boko. So akwa fa so a welcome me say the osika say baby am ntina kra na say say
e de enya boko ma na ha de boko. Ha de majority no we sit there say Kabija ka go try majority see. Parliament so obi cross carpenter. Ye gi di see.
Say one panyini hia. Ase aware mu. Oba ne be mada aware for dam paso be ma no ene de animu no oba ne de mini menua panyini so na abesie ntina me medwe se ono obetena animu ha
David by convention
mbacha Matthias
and precepts
Matthias
and by law as designed by me
why ni bia work all day
I don't go report out to say bibia boko you know bad yes
Elia Huyenti, me hoyepa.
Dedo ba de ase. Mamunyina akwaba. We shall for ya transie no na. And the demonstration because we are because of the suspension of the Chief Justice. MPP together with 6 parties fee say Omampeni John Mama and Amoya to though the Constitution Article 146 allows that no more fee say Article 23 and some of the articles say he should done it by discretion and he should done it capriciously and then without a whims near there in the end, you know, enkofa party be no free say ucha sebia emwa nti onyai for Ghana Association so busa where are the published regulations at me ma kwan mo man penitu sana mo no MPP thank you to so ho eno enan chain no so and some way have to your man penny John Mama na watchi or ya dey be a friend no say code of conduct how they be to jadi ama the appointees now before then no 55 appointees and staffers and man penny ka so mun declare omo assets omo anye and no amande bi busa say is it going to be the normal lip service from the president? Now the president will take a punitive action against Omo. No Ghana card, no national service. And no national service penny, no the other 10,000 national service personnel. And by August, Omo share military training. I see. I know. CEO of Komfanochi and other CEOs are more teaching hospitals. You know. They have been relieved of their post. Asante Mantema, the Parkwesi has been appointed. Okay. Doctor, my memory on chain. The demonstration, ABC is needless. ABC is very crucial and has come at the right time. Why do you suspend the chief judge? Why do you want to tamper with the judiciary? The only armor we see as a Ghana for OGD womb. Ebisu Fisa Omampeni is doing his duty. Ghana for the Miensa, the petition Comano. 1 2 and more You be cast a book constitution and tia. It's I could see a gossip coda codana. Mammy chill from that angle and obey.
Yo, mini I made us it. Mechia Sompa Etifuina, any Krura. Santimera, say, or boy a home by, Ninim dear, Ninyansa, inti Asanteman a tumpon. Na Machia, mini opinion, so I'm not be sure. My colleague lecturer, we say, no, there were assemblies, Mike anymore, Dr. Mike anymore.
Yeah,
Must you watch it?
Now me understand, master.
Uncle Mocassia and the Hon. Say, a more of Ransom because I'm brand new organ in Yano, Yamami, and a dano. Inti GBA for or margarine. Me measure from the political trace of it. Me read my band from the social side.
Okay.
Now, you say Obia or right to appoint Tibiana or right to yede disappoint or to dismiss. Yet as here a free wha a discussion, no? Even though the current chief we know wasn't appointed by the current president, the same position, and now the position and or better so. And see, any man and I do ye be a 2 years or better so and I say obey no quire or peso. Now, say once ye makquine, I may appoint chief justice. Then it brings into question the independence of the judiciary.
That's right.
Say Yantias here in free war. And we all know, sir, we expect the judiciary to be a strong, independent arm of the government. Say, your parliamentary one or but the differences, last administration, there were Abamba being to me, because we are one of the arms of the government. Abayan to me and Yinedi, and maybe Antima and Faso and Yinedi, because a MPs nan Kasa and the Yino. That is the difference between the OCCR and the other arms of the government. We have the presidency, the whole Ghana, and the EU. In the answer, the whole Ebitimaka said, yeah, permanent reason. He said, your Omra, the whole Ghana, best our film. And Sana Yetimayino. Speaker, our head of another arm of the government, even though sometimes government are appointed. But the MPs now
Ghana in Yanam.
Yes. Your fancy Ghana in Ghana.
Ghana no for ultimate news speaker
there be untimi and also on the process I'll be to my first on San what me. And it's all strong.
There is a weakness with the judiciary.
Exactly. That is the problem we are facing now. Until we go back, I'm exactly. I'm also strengthened just as parliament any president in the year. You better so face it, near face it, because abine the year, so meda enti sankiye jai am a judiciary no, and so I am a Juma as an independent arm of the government. Or one for mumra a council, andfen you will be more now, man. No one serve the Juma also. Some of these things.
Judicial Council no, Abia 3 or 4, or maybe go through vetting now at the end of the day.
Yes, there are structures.
This is the Chief Justice.
Exactly. So once she was appointed by the government, then we cannot take away the elements of political twist.
Okay, that's true.
And see, you share as a country entrance in who say you present all these 3 arms of government here. Juma effectively said I was a miracle so na you be koso Asia because answer na buy na what is one or be succeed no. Ade ohia kese baako ne mmra ansem ekwan a mmra man so twen ene ade nyina and ye nim say onu nim tenasidin wo hwe say enyame na me appointed na e chese me ni so total control because obi appointed with the uhunu kra be kotokoto say ebe ya obe sustain
loyalty and allegiance.
And throughout the campaign before God and man we all know say NDC we near this was going to happen. I say Dunketia attack judiciary so many times. Even President Mahama on so many occasions attacked the judiciary. So what do you expect? Obviously, and the interesting part of it, and I say, Yes, so more competition, you know. You need more. Say, Yampa, say, Yampa. One question. Yes, who ordered the auditor? And I see Ada, sorry. Yes, in the Pami and the letter, the content of the letter not known.
And it's been alleged said there's a petition also waiting. Jane Mensah, Professor Apiahine, Osman Asare,
three key people now.
Mr. Tete,
okay,
and nine.
Okay.
Almost a petition that. And then the party MPP and others no fee say the Chief Justice is not the target because the Chief Justice will decide whether or not a prima facie is established against the Electoral Commission. It says Chief Justice no free wa. Omampeni John Mama allegedly almost so unknown the Chief Justice Badia, then he will kowtow to the whims and caprice of the president.
On say, yeah, from
it stands to be an allegation.
So from the background I'm coming from, if be latent function and manifest function.
That's right.
Dear Uhun is Subiano, and Yamabi or Isumasi. And most often, and Yame Osumasi in the control, the Uhuna when is on. Of course, there wouldn't be a smoke without fire.
Okay.
Baby, I know about to say, who's here now, so Jawa baby. And she said, even last week, there was this allegation, said, Yura Mahama, or person or another tape. And Tina, or person or Chief Justice said, the Bay, I'll be to my family, so assistant the Constitution of Ghana. You need enough information, so the best way to is speculate. And that's the one example now, dear man. Obviously, there will be a hidden Adeakye Abia Yerama. After all, say any baby any say sumasia, manenya nejuma. Okay, share my main fan no see the social side of I want to talk about. You see a gender balance. Yerama Hama campaign and Kasano preachy say oba a ma appointment, a mema appointment. Obe try say a mano obenya dodo na to bridge that gap on. Na empenifo say yenya hwe ma ya se ase yenya monokro no. Na won appoint ya kakra na ewum no so no sa do my your target. Okay, yen hwe Ghana, ye free bibi. Oye sociology ye free bibi glass ceiling and glass escalator. Glass ceiling ye say most adwumemu there's a hidden barrier. Wonfo ni hu. I prevent a ma so mobile rise I could do top positions be. The opposite is the escalator. I don't know promote to member. Until there are so many organizations how your bar per being or bar your position be of how when day unya. And the reason why I said the social side, Nyami Adom, Mami, I think 62 or 60 September, no one 63. 60 years ago, obey me a breaking your friend no breaking the glass ceiling. What in my break here or Babesia, bon home modern, kakran. It's me, I occupy one of the topmost positions in the country. Such a person or such a woman should be celebrated per our social system and social structure. Or say celebrating because we are born home modern. Yeah, the reverse. I say position in Okra on deserve one to turn near me so many attacks into your hidden petition, yen no enfant free. Instead, see a beman at so no one serve us or motivate and crab a brace. 60 years ago, if obey me at my Bobrasuya dear professionally, while rising, I breaking all these hidden barriers, your drew baby, or drew now. Young crown so a woman then. A bet me, another oba, what can I say? Any Jane or Yamami Jane. I will not see the next target. Now, ye mammy, ya appointed or by doesn't mean say substantively or no best abettanaso. By appointed Bema, and see which
justice bar for money.
Yes, which means gradually balance now in terms of our top hierarchy, ye reducing, and it has a lot of effect on our global image. And these are some of the things ye share. Oh, sorry, out yet here as a country, we want ourselves to be projected globally as a country of this, country with this, all those things. Some of these things end up working against us in terms of, say, our international world. Intermediate, yes, politically, ya appointed there, you bet me I dismiss it. But you share the social side of it, especially such a woman, what him about bra, arise ya konenim, and the abedru baby edrun, and Debbie America. The course last 4 years in Yina NPP and Timian Saki Yerabam Babino. Young Famra Council, a Chief Justice and Sunya said to me, Nibi.
Okay.
And yes, idea, ye begin says, and yes, the integrity of the judiciary, and I did agro. Because where can we? There are certain information you cry, and you can't keep out. But because I discussing, then and Chief Justice also, there are so many accusations near speculating around her. So Chief Justice or SM renewing force or say, Omunira also to me say, Moni Akokan BB to tarnish the image of the judiciary. And see, ye per se, ye strengthen the judiciary. Young Famra Council, and yen such that they will be strengthened, independent to do their work as expected of them.
Best friend, that's my main call. Honorable Kyokun no more. Now, also some fun and not assem Emra on the issue of the suspension. Yeah, discussing it because there's a demonstration going on in Accra. Police for the layout, and they may be also Mufenina Betuja. Make us say yes or more Atiguma or more echo. Now, the issue boils out to whether or not President were using this question capriciously. Everyone say why they all say yeah because Article 146, 5 or 6 no can say the president in his quest to deal with Article 146 no can or may suspend the Chief Justice pending the investigation and the outcome of it. Mame Mko Minia Penny Honoman Amiti on so.
Oh, my hand, my first acquaintance so na measure that open so. Na free Sompa at you funina, and can't 1 hour cheer me free in Suta, qua my be poso, and nay on crassy in a Nawomush Yamia, no Maka say, a cook way, Missy Ye, a cook way, Missy Ye. I feel me Yamin Yakume, to Yaman 9 die sure. Where is sociologist? Who has said he was a cana? Meso sociologist, emphasis sociology. Legon.
Okay.
And the area got two professors and I sociology books no more to assume. Nukunya, open your house to chair, my dear. Swat one, sociology books. Also, is sociology now one common books to the air. Nature said sociology no one yet. And Yena no am say ne o kani na metiasie o ka gender balance o ka glass ceiling yena sociology yetiasie
okay
nanso ne me kan say enye say bia e ma no ye mpeso mbeka mema ho ye se sebe ne a oni ne tumrika no ye ni america aduru enya de enya no ti da bia me kire nkwada bibi on gender na makachire on se e ma no mo kan ye hu nti bibia ye bia ye nhwe se ye beso mu abia ye je mu akira amamu no ntimi nko ye o ma no ntimi nko mu anim afei e ma o mo abomoden no madu de o madu ti se chief justice no ne ade mo break glass ceiling e no ma bebre o ho aye si ma kwa e mo nko mu anim o mo de o mo aboboden aye de apia firi mu akọ mu anim nanso de wo mu ne se Ghana mra na de adwuma emra no ade adwuma no eyemraku ni kura o na amanfo ka no mo kan nyina no mikotu ono chief justice no was no matter how many noises are made the law is the law now was say emfa ho hwe ne deda ye nipa bi be
yeah Grace, can we have that quotation from the chief justice? He says that no matter how the noise and everything, if there is anything outside the law that she has done wrongly, they should bring it up. Other than that, no matter the noise, law is law.
Yeah.
He was referring to certain accusations against her. And Moka said, but
simply, no decision that I have made in my role as Chief Justice or in my capacity as president of a panel of the Supreme Court, has come from anything but a knowledge of law. No matter how many noises are made, the law is the law. And the only answer one can give to all the hand-waving is the legal answer, unless we want something else. But I am quite sure that Ghana as a society is not looking for chief justices that bend and give them something other than law. And therefore, here I am. Everyone gets the law.
And the all cano, and one I'm to so. The all cano, and one a dear Juma. The all cano, and one or Mampeni, Mamma, a so dear Juma John, the many Mamma, dear Juma. And yet be before Bia, the Mumran or dear Juma. Na me tie penimfobi me first degree de me law ni sociology but me lawyer na me tie omom ye lawyer to say obi to say Henry Prempe ya see a constitutional review no ye na to ano na me tie no efa de esisie ho ne opeso o kire ne say mampani ne o ye no emra bie ni ho aye tia ne mampani ye no omumra bia so na mom ne o hwehwe ne say ne oye no obema emu ada ho transparency e na wo hwe na fe wo saka bibi se e wo mu se o mampani mra na ode adwuma nanso so no ne a enipa nyina ehwehwe ne se obema pepeye abamu na fe in future no sabre ya ne wo kasa de mra na ode adwuma no de bibi antia bibi enu ya wabusu na emom no ye koya enim no ye nhwe se ebeye din se Omampani bi beba obetimi yi chief justice free they or no obi to say Professor Prempe or kai no afa na mi tie.
Does it not mean say Professor Prempe in a quiet and in a very subtle manner is talking to the issue, say it's not good to take the chief justice.
The opposite or chile say party who tie the all kana the opposite watch and says, the Embranetiano.
Me to ask you. On the moral suasion. Opposite watch say a china. Your man in your din say, you bet me chief justice everywhere. Which means on force say was here chief justice. Name boom Emrati children in sa. Ama Quambia the Dawama, Ibenya, yet me chief justice. But they all can say in future. Because Sunday because say see idea the abano aba na mom da achibi ya hwe se bi nsi bi wa na just dey see ye no ana de ekoso no ompene so
nia opeso o kire no say em se mi wo de ebia na wo sa na opeso hu no
no some tie Dr. Henry Prempe and your constitutional review commission they have even received petitions to that effect. And a man for friend no can one sem no chere say see no so be effort your mampani your mama enye but on the same time the president has a discretion so bet back I say chief justice and somebody be too many even council of state to me for on the basis of say a premier facie case has been established but based on one or two no me feel say kosoya wadwuma. The president has that prerogative. But the president has also the same prerogative to suspend. And no, he has chosen the other one. And a public sentiment in the say the other one now what you should do is law no. What president they are all chatto.
Okay. Enti emsa me ni nyina gina bokro no aso. Sompa umumre bi aso. Na sania ono chief justice yeka no. Ye de mra ena ye pese de adwuma de edika na mra kire say so obi di petition e ko omambeto he article 146 no o hwe a de pese ye kire ne say so obi di petition e ko efa chief justice ho a
chief justice there is 6 article 1466
146 asem na make 1466 that is subsection 6
very good
eno no omampani na adwuma aye wo mu ne say o receive petition na Osi shall eno no kura mpo no shall. Enye se bia me. Eho no shall. So kai ni ya.
Where the petition is for the removal of the Chief Justice, the President shall, acting in consultation with the Council of State, appoint a committee consisting of 2 justices of the Supreme Court, one of whom shall be appointed chairman by the President, and 3 other persons who are not members of the Council of State, nor members of Parliament, nor lawyers. The committee appointed under Clause 6 of this act shall inquire into the petition and recommend to the President whether the Chief Justice ought to remove from office.
And shall no chira say petition no ba enhye say so yen adwuma enti say ba no anya na adwuma wa anya no sa akora na che say onye na adwuma enti na adwuma no wo ye de toso mienu ye say as I say or refer the Council of State normal advice no say prima facie you should be say ye hwe mu no enyina mu ana say nsuo gina mu well Council of State ni hwe mu no om si petition no nsuo gina mu. Enti no the next step ni say. The next step ni say. SSA was suspended Chief Justice no. But by what?
How do we May?
May. Okay, say May. I want to shall.
Very good. So yeah. I have no. That is
May
people have issues with the President on the discretion.
No, May no. Should say I had to say. What? Sebio Abrantia Oko Waroba. So ba no ba wakwamu a opa wo ware no opa obeka che ne say wo ti hwe ma bebre na wakwamu de open na wa no nti sa no de ye wo discretion swati ase wo discretion enti o mampani wo si opa
I so opa and a public they say opa no more yes
yo ye beba ho public ne say mo nya ono no ba bi o tie ne ohunu no e bia
ye hunu ne
sa unhunu sa afei de to so bio SSA what the warrant and na a suspended Chief Justice no and also why na fe wo wi a no ati committee no send your kai no nipa num emu mienu Supreme Court judges omo ye Supreme Court justices emu ba ko na enye chairman na fe nipa miensa omo nye members of parliament no omo nye lawyers Council of State members no omo nye lawyers and emfanka ho Edwa no woye no man hene de womu ni say Chief Justice na ya wo ka say the law is the law no ono a wonim say she is not above the law President said the okan no ampa ye nyina na to aba man no e wo kwan fa so aya ye yi no ono yetimi impeach no
that's right
so ya de aya enya ono aya ye nyina to aba man ye friends universal adult suffrage no yetimi gini free won fa ho hwe enne ni tumi o sabe dem previous at se ya okodi ewu sabe previous se ya okoto mo na amfa ne kwa so a yetimi yi ni free ho ada America ya yesu omo no so motimi ye bia amana ye enti no yetimi ye saa so na the head of the legislature speaker won so ye bibi na amfa ne kwa mu a won so yetimi yi ni free ho saa so na maami
ba nya ban na yi o mo free ho
anya ba na yi o mu free ho na so yetimi yi o mu free ho mani ye wo kwa ye fa so ya yi o mu free
but nye president and yi so easily so betimo yi o mu free
yes and America no say ye wo kwa ye fa so
there is a process but it is difficult as Professor Prempe can say yenye constitution man nye den say going forward no president be antimi mfa na ho den enim right ya man no enyi ayifo anti mani wie
sa
koso
enti wono so womo mumia miensa no omampani yetimi yini firi ho speaker yetimi yini firi ho sa na maami ya wakasa iso no woye bibi na nye yi a yetimi yini firi ho afei de to so bio ye checks and balances said de ono aya woye Chief Justice no your friend is saying Babin ya woye the head of the legislature woye bibi a ya officer anko yi no ono Chief Justice no timi ka kire ne say empty seat ye ka wona na ye so mo
Chief Justice na kai
the judicial
panel
judicial
don't single her out
yeah but the judiciary
unilateral say it the judiciary
make the checks and balances no they say enye individual
but you said Chief Justice no can no
yeah okapana no
the judiciary
ono kura mpo no sa no ma we in future na going forward no ubehu say se nyame boa no na nka ofiri egu fi a enye pala nyana no obetena so na obi amfa nkofore no na eno no checks and balances no kire say we judiciary we legislature, we executive, we bibia. Ah, a first one. Yeah, check on the bino. It will also checking the judiciary, including her. Yeah, checking on. Na kwa first checking and say, or ye bibi no be fee say, and go ye no the petition ba. As I see a humu near who the woman. Ya humu na nyame boano na se bibia ni mu a. Oko the baby empire and kamebono. Na mom say ya hwehwem na se bono de a. Anyi wono nko an o chief justice eyi. Ya wo mo aya wo nim di kura cha na obi kura be ye lawyer mfie be nwotwe ko be ye du. Ansa na ono ba. Na mom mampani na nado o hwehwe mu no ono mom na nadwene na se wo de ne chief justice a e bia beboa no. Enti no de ne bae. Enti no se ya hwehwem na se ya meboa no. Ne ya mehunu mobo. Na se bibia mono a empire a edipa bebre bono no. Na mom demonstration di ye de wono ka no. Hey, better be away bia no. Enkonko sihwe. Because emra ne ade adwuma se o mampani mama boom rabi so dia. Ye nyina ye beka ho asem. Na mom empanifo apart from say ABMPP for lawyers. Any MPP for lawyers mpanyo mo nyina na eka. Bebre nim se dia o mampani mama aye no ne kwanso a. Afa enya ono nko a. Wo hwe eye president. Se o mampani na nado ebi beto na nim de no ye. Se dia o mampani mama aye no isa no ye no
judiciary.
And judiciary, but electoral commission the ebeton no.
Electoral commission is not an arm of government.
When your arm of government where independent is supposed to be an independent body. Now independent body no.
Let's situate it in the sense we are talking about three arms of government. If NCC they say Omampeni John Mama Shraj is an independent body. But I'm from Soba or Loretta or no one appointing or Sakino. Are you getting me? Charlotte say the issue by near the said Chief Justice Netraso, but petition call Mampenio, and all the man Chief Justice, and all Chief Justice setting committee no muino. Agreed. But the Bimusoni say the arm of government, which is the third, the legislature, the executive, people feel say it's been compromised one way or the other. And the judiciary no be an armor say obampeni to me judiciary if you are now when you are because now even though there are checks and balance we all know the executive controls the legislature now because of appointment of 50% plus one no more ministers and the executive no do or acquire or the now we know the legislature is under the armpit of the executive. Judiciary in Intesa. It almost says so to me the second judiciary in India. Now the three arms of government is being controlled by the executive. That is another school of thought.
Oh my the above better me tree what Vinicius saw near TF when I Vinicius when you say. Ye fan say commissioner for human rights and administrative justice. No, ye for almost say high court judges so the procedure a chief justice no and one you. The same thing applies to
high court judges, not chief justice.
Because high court judges.
That's right.
The same thing applies to electoral commission. And I say chairman of the electoral commission. A quiet first way you on Sakwa no one a first way your friend is saying the chief justice.
That's right.
It is our quine. And no man penny mama. All first will say Emra a channel so on first.
Okay.
Now maybe I may catch them people for say. The anka omoye be and say, said your mamma the law is the law. So did this boom rabisua, or home quite so the court.
Go to court.
San at some Rabian why our buswadia. They didn't know I am more than anything.
I got to that one.
So now, near as I see I assume free money say. A year GBA. Crampono, a hot be a mouth, where the Emson say, or demonstration of GBA crowd soon, your one was some capitary. Say, Ganaba Association. Somebody a muye dia, a baby banam way a ding. A buy for Badia, nothing and be one waka. When you know Casa. So Mampanina not to buy no more, I'm funny Quamu Bebre, including Domelevo, Numia that you or moi. What Yadico quarter say, and funny Quam, Nina and Moncasa. Swung, Yamotna home number in your hand, and then there will be one Casa. What Edian, my Maraban waffles, one more couldn't perform in the sense, say, Obi, me by here, my two platforms, Obi, so we hear more constitution more. BBN who are your friends and BDA conference. Rampa, my constitution, constitution no bibie ni mo aye friend sa
nipa 50 na ko san petition
sa om say no kra e on constitution according to constitution e on constitutional but ye ho ne ye ka na ne ye ka ne say me de MPP for yema na ye test the boundaries of ye democracy any mra ya de adwuma we yaba ye hwe de be ti ye nyina mpa ye ne ye bo say ebu na ho fine no obi ahu ne wo mu afei ebre koso no na mom de hadwene kakra ne say yesi we na ye in camera ne just say and say obi a te de koso go si ebe wi e no na hadwene kakra but de ye wi a de wo mu bia obi a beti na de nti e bia ye ne sa ne say ebi be allegations bebree de tie o man ye so ti wo so memeti we so ma kwan sa manfo nya allegation tie wan sam wa ye nipa bi beka ensam bi nipa beka fa me ho no enso bia na enye sa na tie na so yesi de nto aduro no
so say ye mani pia bonten
sa
na ya kan sem ni nyina ewie na afi ye be wie na enimu
sa
wogo na enimu ase
sa yesi de nto aduro no de nto aduro no ensa imru ho
Matewas
na mom say nyame boa na ewie dia e de ya ye beti say se na ekoso na yenhwe de besie na obia hu se ebuda ho fan ma me no so am so ye ready say wono so no kwa bi so be defend no obeche de nti ya yi no aye nyi se de aka no wono ana kan say the law is the law nti de aka ne say omo nyankopɔ baye empaye won pe lawyer papa e ba na internet no okoko gina ho ne yetoto na no a onya sem papa nka
okay
na eno nko na be bo no bibia no ha betumi abo no
all right suspension of Chief Justice political agenda. Why are people saying say a political agenda?
The entire one can say political agenda. You see the atwitwetire bia usro ayana. Kwanya ya mampani na nado. E fa so aya oyi shaloto say no. Bebre fi se sa kwan no a. Enna NDC for any mampani mama person of faso na oyi Chief Justice owi a no aba fairness je mensa no mama kaso
at that time
but is there a petition
minim I know the amachi ha minim again je mensa ne ade no minim na mama ya no kasa yi me de no kasa mpa de meka fi se de amati fi adure mimi nsuro bibia emsa na nadwene emsa na obi ka kire se obi entimi nye hu emsa obi ka kire se mama ontimi mapa wada nti de ope bia ye fi se no ma bia ya mama we se oyeye no no I gina how ka say the law is the law no sa the law is the law no sambra no ano enipa
de ma no ye
ade ya ode ye opuni nku ade ye kura nya sem ketwa opuni ya na no okoko da ase
ade opuni odem
ahun
me ba na so opuni mami oba you said 2 years ago anambo opuni case started 2017 said na mami no de ade ye
tamwa ya asem no ekoso na fansa jaja ya odi asem no oka say esa so he asem na sibio so ni me de sie
to sesano
oka say asem no wonye den eche say o he asie bio ono de novo no because o hwe evidence aba na nsem mo said proceeding say na esitie na o to aso sa na ase eye intention
so there were manipulations by this woman
yeah tie na oye na omodi ko appeal Supreme Court how ye de ko appeal le so judge no ehun yia so ye dey o hia se biu the one to ase de ho no aso one to ase de ho no aso a se ne nka enya hwe obeto aso ehwa a ye man so ani kumase so ate sa no we se no we ya ohun e ba sa se pa de obi abeka na san o pe obi a ya wode ne ba ho a obeye se ne open sa enya no nko a election ye beto aba na ye registration ne ye se kwan fafa so a ya registration de ye be ye no ye di nyi hu tie de aba court unim na mama ne ye what the date ne ko so bra ya registration de wi okay oba ye kra so okọ workshop bi wo sekeko so senso hi o wie ye no wodi wo she date ya no okokoti asem no date ya mama we say de she ye no na chese sa time no ya registration de wi nti asem no kra ya nkoso bio
by this statement, it means the NDC has a problem with the woman.
Exactly.
So it's not an issue of law.
so no na Ediaba.
Okay.
Because say who ni asema ba ni ti o me kasem bi di we kura twato. Me ko akofrem pon ba di DC. Mampon mfie num ba di DC mfie nwotwe won suta. Say nei si yasinka me di DC nde be yie bi wa. Anka me odi me ko bia enemy ni asempia because obi enemy ni asempia.
Okay.
Na say wo ya to so aba wo ye DC me ka we ya kire DC fo aye be wi wo mu. Na say manfo ka se ye nto aba ma ho. Na yeah accept why you renomination we renominate what I'm talking about. Let just go on WhatsApp.
Okay.
And this are here.
Doctor.
It's very interesting say and NDC for who demonstration say noise making. We are say enema bebre sisi but be so sisi a na enwan na betwa the demonstration NDC for anya wo Ghana. Enipa ya famra kwan so ede ne tumi ahye ne nsa akwan a mo fa so ede ayi no no enipa bi mu se omo ne nje ho omo famra kwan so ese omo ti omo ho agumontini mu a se omo famra kwan so a se de wo sha ase na wo se police define omo route nyina no which means say they have the legal right and it has been approved by omo as how to minister omo nsa se omo nya demonstration no. And for my senior member to sit here say demonstration they do kwa NDC NPP for ya. In fact, yes, such a record in straight and NPP for one demonstration. They may be the majority, but on my issue, clear statements are listed other political parties are. And maybe you sure most of these political parties in the Kromo to Obama NDC until Omunya resource now. So it's not just a mere noise making, but a near maybe a koswa or money. And for me to sit here, na ubusa yera a kwokon say a dear na mami we now when near ma okay can I say no the petition in Mudia, then we are failing as a country. We are not serious. Say or transfer Obi. Or legal mandate to do it or not? That's the first question. Irrespective of the timing. There are so many things Yehun and Iswa and Hinta Osmasano that they know better about Tranki, Ija to Riasim. And in Penufoteki, so many decisions are in reality, the Intiumteki decision, Kofoye Bibebre, on council, body save situation. And she said, transfer, I can't. And Yama or Mujina so say yam pam no dia. Then ye bregu, I didn't in your suya dear. I didn't know you're working hard to be promoted. I didn't know you're working hard to be acknowledged by the society. Secondly, opuni issue are and Yama be a new way no kind, minimum other things are original subu. But opuni issue are and I was so happy say, oh refer no time opuni issue starts here. Anytime mammy will cry appointment, ebem. All those things were decisions that needed to be made at that time. Of course, decision may not satisfy you, but for the interest of the institution we are working for, I will say it has to be made. And so making that decision, you know, I want to 2 me and the crown moon or the year, oh say, one family so and unti yam pamna, then any uncomfortable making decisions are sections of the population, you know, were not happy. So I will say a pam. We should, and I made a submission in the mono. Young strengthen judiciary, no, our council, so that they become untouchable. Say, any penny idea, na against the fundamental duty na, we are didn't call now. Then, Emrakano, I didn't ever so. Does that mean, say, no more appointing the power for next 4 years? I almost say you were 3 years and some months away in him. You are 2 berry in the Pacron on retirement. And MPP ebe winning. MPP bar. I was saying, and also no Masada farmer.
And that is what you MPP you have also started saying. Say mutu man penny your mama fu. Say mostre no onyai. Say okoso ye. Onka who say o mfie nine. Odi we are. More sure say in the next 4 years you might be able to come back to power. Mubaya, Mubeyi Chief Justice nephew.
Oh, say.
That's the message you also said in a it said you are no yaninya. Why are you also saying say?
Make reference to Yama Charlotte say.
say.
Okay. constitutionally, even though or can say minya address with it, but or can say a quiet faso the chief justice amran, but constitutionally, the way to mumi nukra, ewo ya memo mo Ghana enye pe. And ben baby akra. And see the course or honor, won't mean found compare the air course sesiano. And that is what we are missing. The point. Okay. Say omutimi ya, it's almost an attack on the constitution. Because my minute to me in a crown no, and then a pet and what they do no, and say, oh, do to me, which on no a similar, not the same powers. Now, oh, dear, no, because constitutionally, who are right to appoint into what you know, I'm rana so, and my catcher earlier campaign messages in Indian was clear, said NDC bar president be our original NDC, the mobile Pam, and it's in a surprise, but. So omu to me now omu wono at the Pam na it's an attack on our constitution.
Honorable, you see it otherwise.
The ND, you know, say it's an attack on our constitution. No, because say the medical yakano. Empanifua ya omwaka ahwasemi nyina, including obi to say okujeto some okujeto. Meka former member of Council of State. Obie ni wa ya waka say we constitutionally and procedurally no omampani mama wayem from so obi ya waka fa ho bie ni wa ya wo say wabum na bi so
empani for say ye oni ema nyina ho kwan ai ba ye ni nyina so na ye man
yo enya no emsa bible na wo kotu no but we say the ka mra na ye aduma so bible na wo kotu na e paul ne kan say wade nyina ho nyama ade nyina ne fata go they know your bible right let me accuse you but constitution dey dey aduma wo court a enya bible na dey aduma ye de mra na ye aduma obi ho kra na onu so asoma wo ka no enya no kra pa na enso emra ma no ho kwa so
technical aspect dey gina so kasa
enti no se mra na dey aduma no emra no na ese dey so dey ma me ne kai no enti sa bre yi dey aduru no ene se omampani mama wate abadwakuo na abadwakuo no a ya wate no mebo nyame mpaye se maame no eye chief justice Tokonu Elizabeth onya asaba Tokonu onya lawyer papa na fe nyame mmoa no na onya sem papa nka na fe yanhwe se at the end of the day no ade aya ye friend se me behavior no a threshold ade bia ya omo yenhwemu omo hwe ne meka ye to say bia doctor what do we call it opuni asemo aya meka asema ya edikotu na nimu ana ya edikotu Supreme Court animu a ya maameni tu kokoche eda sabre no ne ya itwodi na wie no kura de obi kan say moguo na emom petition ya amanfo de akono nsema ya ewo mo no ye nhwe se abadwafo no ehwehwem wie a na ade ya efen se threshold ye nhwe se abadwafo no eye nhwem wie a na enkonko ba se omo ye hwehwemu no ade e friend say duma ya enko ye friend say misbehavior no
stated misbehavior
yes stated misbehavior no nyame enye na dom say enye sa na tie na se badwafo no ye hwehwemu nyina awie na se stated misbehavior no omo hwehwemu te say de amanfo keka say o di sika amanfo na keka obi go me petition no mi huni say wo di Ghana sika e de atwateke di amana yire ne nikunu ekwabrochire sika turu ya mrama ho kwan
is responded into
whether the ni nyina ya de ko ye hwehwemu wie na se Ghana mra no e makwan se fa ye sika etwateke ma o yire wukun ne obanko ne fa hudi a no me hwehwemu nyina wie no so e wo mu se wa ye ade ya anko yie ya wawaje atumu aya wo sika no betua na mom ye hwe wo se sa akoto wadwuma so a fine but omo yenhwemu nyina wie and the make kan ho bi ebisu ka ho bi na omo ka say ya recommendation say mami yenyini firi ho ne yemfa foforo mra de me akọ firi mpo me kan say samra chia no de a ele so okomo obi ba ne onu nko na chief justice eyi
all right sir we have Justice Gabriel Scott Boamah
sir
who is Justice of the Supreme Court, who is the chairman. Justice Samuel Kwame Adibu Asiedu, Justice of the Supreme Court, as the Constitution stipulates. And we have David Yaw Boamah. People are raising concern about his membership there. The former Auditor General. Major Flora Bazwanura Dalugu, Ghana Armed Forces. Professor James Sefa Jiza, Associate Professor, University of Ghana. Ekwanumi and Ekotrama Mia Samson. So far, Scott Puaman, now for a bit skeptical. The other justice that Boamah na the Dimba was a why Boamah because Boamah court officer court no and near one yet no or you better. But the man Boamah no Betimaka say or yet he's or yet level headed and found the issue but also politics here. To be inside the page when it comes to politics. The moment a person wears a political lens, not going to cross the sound on so many things. But as Honorable Kyoku says, let's all hope. Say, Sempenifon Trasinum Fisa Mameno, Nin Sankayan in near more the Boamah, and so near. No Mufi say, Sequoia 3-2. Oh, 3-2 beer, and they be a bayer a ye. But if their ruling becomes unanimous 5 or 4-1 beer, people will understand. But yet people say 3-2 beer now, say, and yeah. So we are hoping against hope, sir. In the end, let's hope, sir, the president also has Ghana in good faith. I be obey the Other than that, he is going by the constitution. Constitution, no. Said the oil. I am the Palmine. I am the old can be persuaded to be you. But be at say, constitution no. But if say he could express his discretion to save our democracy, then Kobase, a president to say, president to be bound, also the vendetta, and ever say, wow, we Oman Penino, a chief justice, intimation, the media. I don't know, constitutional review. No. You be constitutional review. A bad dance will be between where if you are not a constitutional review. That is beautiful. Yeah, you are if you are constitutional review. Man can see any review. Now, my way there. My way there's so I'm not speaking out of prejudice, but this woman is a goner. This woman is a goner. Maybe they have material radio swatcher. This woman is a goner. The day they signed a petition to the president of Charlotte to say, I knew he was gone. She was gone. Oh, no. She was gone. Wait a minute, no. And I might be. Oh, but it's also a bad thing, say. Now the MPP is also crying because people told them, say, Charlotte Osadi Amoye Nenge. Even though Omo Tokano taking that woman out together with the 2 other judges, it was bad precedent. But it also MPP. Dr. Musumantie.
Me, Oyetamason. And Komokrani here make a safe party who want me.
I'm a party there.
Thank you to Abedani accusation talk.
Oh, but thank you to sir. That's what Techima was done so smoothly.
But the drona
oh, so previous ones, after the altercations and second warning, Kennedy.
Chairman withdrew. I don't say I'm party.
Chairman, no, they also Jumedie Bintino, according kind.
Okay. Yes, yeah, official statement that point was yes.
No, official statement, they say Jumedie Biokodi. No, official statement, and you'll be a Troy.
And the yes, you. The word yes, no,
okay, yes, say. And you want to say. Yes, say. Before say.
You need, as a who speculate.
No, okay. MPP for say.
NPP for say. Okay.
Chairman.
And yes, say.
Okay. Ose kasa MB before say.
Oh yo MB before say. Chama say.
Oh Jumedie
bay.
Obe join him.
In my opinion.
Honorable me dey ato so ya.
Abeja say.
For you Jumedie be no we chain.
E ka che we. Because when e be boa mo
amaya ampa oko ye Jumedie foforo ntori obasa.
And I make no say me dey come adwene me dey me madwene na me kire o.
Me that's not about your hotel in Calabusia for Aldom do ya Chebes, Asamre, you're the full time Jumedie to Amosu.